Fuck. Oh, my arm. Hello, gamers. Today, I'm gonna make a video discussing the very popular song Astronaut in the Ocean. It's gotten a lot of attention on the internet recently, and I want to explore why it has got so popular. Let's dissect this song and see what it's really about. Alright, so it's a space shuttle. Okay. And there's the astronaut, I guess. Fucking ads here. Okay, so I'm probably gonna get copyright striked at the ass for playing this, but I don't fucking care. So
what you know about rolling down in the
alright, what you know about rolling down in the deep? I think that with this very short phrase, he was trying to explain to us, the audience, about his crippling depression, right? What you know about rolling down in the deep. Like, what do you know about rolling in the deep of depression, you know, the depths of depression? So I think Masked Wolf here is trying to tell us that he's severely depressed, and nobody else knows about his depression, you know? Nobody knows that he's rolling down in the deep of depression. At least that's what I gather from it. Let's listen to some more.
when your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze.
Yeah. When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. I think mental freeze refers to when you eat a lot of ice cream, you know, and you get that feeling of your brain is just freezing, you know, you can't even think. So you know your brain goes numb and it's like it freezes completely because it's so cold, and so I think that's what he was trying to portray with this line. Let's keep going.
When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion.
All right, when these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. What happens when you put things in slow motion? You know, things in movies, if you put them in slow motion, they become cooler, you know? Like explosions in slow motion are just fucking badass, you know? You got action scenes in slow motion, music videos in slow motion, they just makes it better. You know, slow motion makes everything better. So I think what he was trying to say is when you talk too much, you know, you need to slow down a little bit, you know, and you'd be cooler for it, you know? You don't need to hurry up and talk too much. You know, just slow down, you know, go in slow motion. You don't need to, because maybe someone's not really trying to, maybe someone doesn't understand what you're saying if you speak too fast. So you need to slow down, you know, speak in slow motion.
Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean.
I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Now, this obviously is the title of the song, and it's really the main focus of the whole fucking. And what does astronaut in the ocean refer to? I think astronaut in the ocean refers to the fact that Masked Wolf never finished, you know, middle school, so he can't really tell the difference between an astronaut and whatever the other nauts are called. They go in the ocean. You know, astronaut is for space, and the fucking ocean knots or whatever the fuck they're called, they go in the ocean. So he's confusing the two, right? This is actually a mistake by Masked Wolf, but he didn't want to change it, clearly, because he's depressed, I guess, you know, rolling down in the deep of depression. So he's too depressed to even change the fucking song name. I don't know why. But yeah, I think that's what he was referring to. He doesn't really understand the difference between space and the ocean. I mean, if you think about it, people can't survive in the depths of space and they can't survive in the depths of the ocean. So is there really a difference between space and the ocean? You know, maybe he's really trying to hit us with a philosophical masterpiece here, and we're just too dumb to get it. Who knows? Well, what else do you have to say?
Like, what you know about rolling down in the deep when your brain goes numb.
All right, he's just kind of repeating himself here. I'm not really sure why. I feel like I already got what he was trying to say, so I don't understand why he's repeating himself. But yeah, I guess for deaf ears, he said it twice, so we can really understand the depths of his genius.
She said that I'm cool. I'm like, yeah, that's true.
She said she said that I'm cool. Yeah, I guess that's true. I mean, sure, but fucking brag about it, man. Come on.
I believe in God, don't believe in THO.
I believe in God, don't believe in THO. Uh, yeah, I don't know what the fuck that means. Yeah, I don't know. Fuck.
She keep playing me dumb. I'm a player for fun. Y'all don't really know my mental. Let me give you the picture like stencil. Falling out in a drought. No flow rain wasn't pouring down. See that pain was all around. See my mode was kinda lounge. Didn't know which way to turn. Flow was cool, but I still felt burned. Energy up, you can feel my surge. I'ma kill everything like this purge.
I'm gonna kill everything like this purge. The fuck did he say? Is there subtitles in this? Nope. Okay, there's no subtitles. So I'm gonna be honest, I don't really know half of the things that he said. I'm gonna assume I'm just too stupid to get it. Seems to me like this whole song is a lyrical masterpiece. So maybe I just need to ascend in order to understand the intricacies of this fucking. But yeah, let's just keep going. Who knows?
Let's just get this straight for a second. I'ma work, even if I don't get paid for progression.
All right. I'm gonna work even if I don't get paid for progression. I think that's a really bad message to send to people. You need to sort of stand up for yourself. If you don't get paid for your work, you just shouldn't work. You should quit. Okay, because that's kind of the whole point. You work to progress in your own life and to make money. And if you're not getting any money out of it, if you're not progressing, you really shouldn't stand there and take it, Masked Wolf. I don't think I don't think he thought this through when he wrote this line because it's a really bad message to send to people. But still, let's keep going.
Everything that I do is electric.
Everything that I do is electric. Now, I'm not gonna lie. I don't think that everything you do is electric, because that would entail that you are a very dangerous person to be around. Because if you go near Masked Wolf, you could get shocked. Electricity is dangerous if it's not put under proper control. So I think this is really trying to express that he's a dangerous person with this line. And I get it. I get it. Maybe he had an accident when he was little and he became like Electro from Spider-Man, and now he just can't control it. So he's warning people to stay away from him, and I get it. Good for him. I'm gonna do that, Masked Wolf.
Keep it in motion, keep it moving like kinetic. Put this shit in a frame, better know I don't blame everything that I say. Man, I seen you deflate. Let me elevate. This ain't a prank. Have you walking on a plane? La 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 la.
La 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 la. Okay, the la 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 is
Hands together, God, let me pray. I been going right around, call that relay. Pass the baton, back in the mall, swimming in the pool, can't drink them all. Want a piece of this, a piece of mine, my piece of sign. Can you please read between the lines? My rhymes inclined to break your spine. They say that I'm so fine.
They say that I'm so fine. Now, I don't know who they is, to be honest. It doesn't really make it clear in the song, but he states that they say that he's so fine. Now, I'm not saying I'm skeptical of this line because I understand he's not too bad looking of a person, but for they to say that he's so fine, I mean, sure, he's okay, but honestly, Masked Wolf, I don't think you're so fine. I think this is a blatant lie by his part. He doesn't really strike me as the kind of person that is so fine, you know. It doesn't really seem to me like they would go out of their way to say that he is so fine. But maybe that's me, you know. That maybe I'm judging. I don't really mean to come across as an asshole for this, but you don't really look so fine to me, Masked Wolf. I'm sorry. It's just my opinion.
Hey, what you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Whoa. Okay. I see what you did there, Masked Wolf. He used the infamous "one small step for man" from Neil Armstrong, the famous uh, astronaut in the ocean. Wait a minute. Is he trying to tell us that the moon landing was faked? Because Neil Armstrong didn't go to the moon, he went to the ocean. Oh my god, Jesus! Holy shit! It all makes sense now. Oh my god, it all makes sense. It all connects. Astronaut in the ocean. It's a song about Neil Armstrong. He didn't go to space, he went to the ocean. Holy, I gotta fucking warn everyone.